Section. Firstly, what is the brick? Brick having the standard size of 19 centimeter into 9 centimeter into 9 centimeter. Take any of the brick.
I
Take this
can
brick
take it.
from this side.
एक्स्ट्रा में से ले लो.
Yes. Give him. Again, listen. This is the 19 centimeter. This side. In case we keep this brick in this manner, this is 19 centimeter. This one is again 9, and this is also 9 centimeter. This is the size of the brick without any mortar. In case the mortar is applied on this brick, then this size of the brick comes out 20 into 10 into 10 centimeter. Now, this part of the brick is known as the stretcher, and this one is the header, and this is the frog. This will act as a key, just to join the two bricks in between them. When the motor is laid on this side, the motor comes in between this frog and act as a key between the two bricks. Now, the basic composition of the ingredients of these bricks are alumina, magnesia, silica, iron oxide and lime. They have the standard proportions. In case कोई भी जो भी इसमें किसी भी proportion में कम या ज़्यादा होगा तो उसके इसमें disadvantages हो जाएंगे. जैसे magnesia है that provides it's the red color. Iron oxide वो कलर देंगे. Lime excess होगा तो इसमें shrinkage आ जाएगा. तो वो एक इसको तैयार करने के लिए proper proportions आएंगे. ठीक है. Now we have the joints. Sometimes we lay the bricks in the two manners. There is one of the pattern is English bond, another pattern is the Flemish bond. In the English bond, you see this one. In this case, just bottom side is you see. These are just known as the stretcher part. The whole layer is first layer, that is the stretcher layer. When the second layer is to be placed, it's just a header. To break the continuity of the joints, we provide this. This is known as the twin closure. This is the twin closure. This acts as a joint in between the two layers just to break the continuity. Then these are known as the perpends. What are these? These are the perpends. वर्टिकल जो joints होगा इसको perpends बोलते हैं. बीच में जो hollow part आता है. ठीक है. Another part. This is the English bond. Another part is the Flemish bond. In the English bond, first layer is stretcher. Second is the header. But in the Flemish bond, both the header and stretcher are laid in the alternate form, in the same layer. You see, first part is this one, header, then stretcher, then header, then stretcher. Then we have to apply the second layer. Firstly, we have to provide the joints. Just you need not to put the brick directly on this. Otherwise, it will just get it collapse due to having the continuity here. It will be just in this manner, like this. To break the continuity, you have to provide alternate form of the layers. Clear? Then, these are known as the beds. These are the brick beds. Firstly, this one was the queen closure. Similarly, you may have the king closure. King closure is in this form when you require a special joint, having cut from this side to this side. In this form, when you have a cut in this form, center of the header and center of the stretcher, that becomes king closure. Onwards. And what are the qualities of the good brick? Firstly, the qualities of the good bricks are there are firstly there are the classes. There are three types of classes: first class, second class, third class. Onwards we may have the overburnt, underburnt. First class having a good metallic sound, having proper edges, sharp, having a proper color, having a proper hardness and a compressive strength that is just 105 kg per centimeter square. What does this mean? 105 kg per centimeter square. Suppose in case the area of the brick is suppose 20 into 10, it's the 200 centimeter square. 200 centimeter square, 105 kg per centimeter square. इतना लोड उस पर आ सकता है 105 kg पर सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर फर्स्ट क्लास ब्रिक में. और इसमें वाटर ऑब्जॉर्प्शन कैपेसिटी फर्स्ट क्लास ब्रिक का इट शुड नॉट बी मोर देन 20% ऑफ इट्स ओन वेट. सेल्फ वेट ऑफ द ब्रिक इज दैट इज 3 to 3.5 kg. साइज वेट ऑफ द वन ब्रिक दैट इज 3 to 3.5 kg. And water absorption it should not more than 20% of the self weight. In case of the second class bricks, you may have color little bit dull, and soundness that may not be just a metallic, and strength, crushing strength कहते हैं टूटना, brick जब टूट जाती है, that is 70 kg per centimeter scale, and water absorptions that is 22%. It should not be more than 22%. Then it may be defined as the second class. For the third class, we may have the water absorption